If something happens like an earthquake or a tornado, and you're not able to provide clean drinking water for your family, what are you going to do? Do you have a plan? Do you have something in mind? If not, today is your day to do something about it. I'm going to share with you my plan to give you an overview of what I've been doing to help you put a plan together for you and your family. You just got to get prepared. Hey, family preppers, I'm on a mission to help you get prepared, and a big part of that plan is the ability to have clean drinking water. If you'd like to join me in this mission and do your family, friends, and neighbors a favor, please share this video with them to help them get prepared also. Thank you. Like I mentioned, this is going to be an overview of my emergency water plan. I want you to see what it looks like from start to finish so you can know how all of the pieces work together to help you get a clear picture of what the plan is. First, I want to say that the goal or objective of this plan is to provide you and your family with clean drinking water. I've broken this down into 3 different areas for us to be able to discuss and look at it a little bit closer. Let's talk about emergency water storage. The question that people usually ask when they're talking about storing water is, how much water do I need to store per person and for how many days? The answer is as much as possible, but usually it breaks down to 1 gallon of water per person per day for as many days as you can. I've broken this system down into evacuation water, which I try to store at least 3 gallons of water that I can easily put into my car or put into my backpack and take with me. And for long term, I want to have a storage of at least 2 weeks worth or 14 days. This is something you can easily store inside of a closet or in your garage or downstairs or wherever you have space to store water. The second part of the plan is what I call water collection. It's nice to know where to find extra water if you run out. One of the places you might be able to find water is in your hot water heater. There might be 40 or 50 gallons here that could help you out. It's also nice to be aware of any church or office buildings around that you could possibly get water from if you have one of these special little keys that work with something like this. And don't forget about any natural sources of water that you can collect from if you need to. The third and final part of the plan is what I call water treatment. This is where we take dirty water or water that is questionable, water that we're not quite sure if it's safe to drink, and we do something to it. We might need to run it through a filter, we might need to treat it with some sort of chemical, and we might even just need to remove the big items that are in it to be able to make it so that it's safe for our family to drink. Because again, the goal is clean drinking water for our families. As you can see, this plan is not that complicated. First of all, we're going to store some water, we're going to know where to find more water, and the water that we do find, we're going to know how to treat it so that it becomes safe and clean for our families to be able to drink. Thanks for letting me share my emergency water plan with you today. I hope it's been a little bit helpful. Maybe you've caught something new. All of the things that we've talked about in this video, I'm going to cover in more detail in future videos. So make sure you check the playlist at the end of this video to be able to check out more of those things and to be able to learn more about the details that I've got into this kit. Once again, I'd like to thank you for your time, and may God bless you as you prepare every needful thing. Thank you.